Nasdaq's down about 5% on the week. Bitcoin's down about 17% on the week. My portfolio is down over 6% on the week. Let's talk about how I feel about this and what I'm doing about it. So to start, I just want to clarify, if you're new, I have 3 investment accounts. This is my main brokerage account, which I am heavily growth focused. I also am a long-term investor, as I'm only 19 years old. Now, if you're new to investing, this might sound crazy to you, but I absolutely love what's going on right now, and I actually want it to continue to drop. Not to mention, I almost 100% expected this to happen around this time. So this is a message that I posted in my Discord group on November 10th of 2025. You can go ahead and read this if you want, but pretty much what I was saying is, going into 2026, I believe that growth stocks have a very high chance of stalling out, and I believe that value is going to have to catch up at some point. Be even more specific, not only value, but also energy. And so far, I've been very correct about that. In the first month of this year, my value ETF is up 6.5%. Top value ETF that I hold in my retirement is up 12.58%. Energy ETF is up almost 17%. Top value stock that I started buying into this year is up almost 4% on the day. Now, if I had such a strong feeling that this is going to happen, why did I remain heavy in tech, and why am I continuing to buy it now? The reasoning behind this is because I am a long-term investor. My goal is not to get the most growth possible this year in my portfolio. My goal is to maximize my gains over a long period of time. Even though I may trim some along the way in like a 5 to 10 year time frame, for the most part, I'm holding most of this portfolio for a very long period of time. Even a 1% difference in return over a 30-year period makes such a big difference. Nasdaq, which is mostly filled with tech, has historically always outperformed the S&P 500 over any long period of time. I personally dollar cost average most of my investments. I've not only been continuing that, but on some of them even raising them higher at this time. This is a long-term game, and I have zero emotions related to investing. With crypto as well, I've only been buying more as it's continued to drop. I also think is an interesting fact is the number of wallets with over 1,000 Bitcoin has actually increased since October to now, while most small retail investors are just continuing to panic sell. You have to have no emotions in this game. Don't panic, take a step back, think about what's really going on. A lot of you were rushing to buy this at 120,000, but now you're scared of it that it's at 73,000. Literally, this is exactly what you guys were paying $120,000 for a few months ago. This is a long-term game, and I'm chasing aggressive growth. Volatility is going to go both ways. If you want that massive upside, you have to be ready for downturn. That's why I also have much safer accounts outside of this, like my Roth IRA. As you can see, pretty much is just stable on the day, even though the entire market's dropping. In my personal opinion, this is a blessing. I don't mind if it wants to continue dropping. I'm just going to keep adding to the positions that I love. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.